I bought the Roche Posay Cicaplast Baume B5 during winter. I did have really dry skin last year for about 5 months. None of the products I had on hand worked. This was caused by my stupidity itself. I was trying too many products at that time and I realized none of those products were for me. My skin was severely dry. I had dry patches as well, and it was kind of peeling in certain areas around my nose and my forehead. Once I found this, I started using it and I felt like it took some time to get my skin back to normal. This is a multi-purpose cream that also helps on insect bites, chemical burns, and sunburns. The soothing balm can soothe the skin and the irritated areas and nourish the skin as well. It is formulated for really dry skin and has a balm-like texture and gives you a matte finish that's non-oily and non-sticky. This balm really helped my skin soothe those dry patches even under my makeup. It's a rich, thick balm, so I would not suggest using any other skincare products along with it. I suggest to wash the face with a mild cleanser, tone the skin, and apply a thin layer all over your face and lip, avoiding the eye area of course. You can also apply this to the dry areas of your body, like your elbows and knees. This also helps heal dry spots, rosacea, and dermatitis. I don't think it is for combination or oily skin since it is a thicker cream and may cause acne or pimples. A little product does go a long way. So start off by taking a pea-size amount, massage this into your face, and in case you need more, then go in for the second. I used to use it just once a day as a night cream as I felt it worked better for me that way. You can also use it on babies as a nappy rash cream or even as adult as a chafe cream. I am going to be recommending this for people who have really dry skin or cracked sore lips. Adding the ingredient list here for you to read. You can also find this on the Feel Unique website, Look Fantastic website, and of course the Roche Posay website. In the UAE, Mum's World has it. Amazon in the UAE has it as well. And you do get this in a 40 ml tube. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you all in my next. Bye!